Loneliness is often pictured as an empty room, an isolated life, a silence filled with no one. But the truth is, loneliness doesn't always happen in the absence of people. Sometimes, it shows up in the middle of a crowded room, with laughter surrounds you but doesn't touch you. Sometimes, it finds you when you're sitting at a table full of friends, smiling and nodding, yet feeling like your soul is speaking a different language no one else can hear. Because loneliness isn't always about who's around. Sometimes it's about who's missing. It's the ache of someone who used to be there but isn't anymore. The person you could tell everything to without explaining yourself. The one who just got you without effort, without performance. Maybe it's someone who left, someone who changed, or someone you've never even met yet. What makes the loneliness sharp is the space they leave behind, a space no one else seems able to feel. The kind of loneliness is harder to name because from the outside, your life looks full. You're connected, you're present, you're not alone, and yet your heart keeps reaching for someone who isn't there. Sometimes, it's not even about one specific person. It's about the kind of connection you long for, the depth, the ease, the safety you've been craving but can't quite find. It's about the missing piece of belonging that your soul knows exists, even if you can't point to where. And maybe that's why loneliness feels so heavy. It's not just emptiness, it's a presence, a constant reminder of what or who isn't here. But here's what I hope you remember. The absence you feel so deeply also speaks to the depth of your heart. It means you have the capacity to love, to connect, to see others in ways that go beyond the surface. That ache inside you isn't a flaw. It's a sign of the richness of your spirit. Loneliness may whisper about what's missing, but it also reveals what you're made for: love, connection, belonging. And though the space feels unbearable at times, it's proof that your story still has more people to meet, more moments to share, more fullness yet to come. Maybe loneliness isn't the enemy. Maybe it's the reminder, not of emptiness, but of possibility, of the connections you're still waiting to find, of the love that is still on its way.